All right, guys, we got a problem. It's hot out. There's the sun, right above, and it's really hot. So we need some shade for our tractor. It didn't come with shade for some reason. I don't know if people who made it have actually sat on a tractor for hours in the middle of a field, but not pleasant in the sun. It's right over here. This very nice tractor. It's got a lot of use, mowing, lifting, doing all kinds of things. And we have this bracket up here. No shade though. So we bought a shade, but the shade is not designed to fit on a bar that thick. It's designed max for a 2-inch bar, and this is probably a 4-inch bar. So we gotta make one. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. Essentially I'm just gonna measure, and we have to make like an adapter to be able to put a 2-inch bar. This is the mount for the shade. So that's kind of where the bar, it kind of sits on a bar like that, and that is obviously not big enough. And once it's on there, the shade kind of just clicks into that point there, and we're all good. But we have some 2-inch stock right here. So what we can do is we can make a plate using our plasma cutter, and with that plate we can have the 2-inch bar going across the top of the tractor like that, right there. And this will just mount to that. So yeah, I'll show you guys how to do it. All right, so I know you guys might be wondering, what exactly is it I do on this YouTube channel? Well, honestly, a little bit of everything. My plan is to kind of just post what I do every day, kind of vlog style. It's a different project every single day. I haven't shown you guys the farm yet, but we're on a pretty large farm, 80 acres, and there's just stuff to do every single day. I do a lot of engineering, robotics projects as well. So really just kind of showing each of these projects. Hopefully something's interesting to one of you guys. And yeah, but you know, today we're doing a farm tractor, and tomorrow we might be programming up something for the robot. So a little bit of jumping around, but that's all right. Keeps it interesting. But yeah, first step is to measure this thing, figure out what we're dealing with. I'm gonna call that probably, let's say 2 3/8. I think is a good number. Yeah, 2 3/8. And our inner dimensions are going to be about 4 inches, so 2 3/8 for hole pattern, 4 inches for the metal, and then we can go up by some amount. I swear I was out there for 2 minutes. I'm already sweating my ass off. It is hot out there. But now we can bring it inside now that we have these measurements, and we're gonna go ahead and open up Fusion 360, which is my CAD software of choice, mainly because it's free. Really nothing beyond that. Used to use Onshape in the past. Still a great tool. I just like Fusion a little bit better. And yeah, so now we're just gonna go ahead and CAD up that bracket. It's really just gonna be a plate on each side of the tractor. Maybe I'll put a little drawing right here. And yeah, we'll cut the plate from the plasma cutter. Go ahead and get some 2-inch box tube, put it across the 2 plates, and then we can just weld the box tube to the plates on top of the tractor, and then now we have a new bar to mount our sunshade to. Now, the sunshade we have is a little small for the tractor we have, but something is better than nothing, trust me, especially out there in the sun. So maybe there's future work to be done later, but for now, this will get the job done. I still really want to do a AC cooled cabin for the tractor. Really keep it nice in there, but luckily right now we are in a room with some AC, so very helpful. But yeah, I'll get back to you guys once this cat is done. All right, so we're almost done, but now we have to figure out how high above this hole to bring this 2-inch bracket. We have to have enough clearance to be able to get the bolts in from the backside. Basically, we have a tube like that. We have 2 brackets that come together like that. So we need enough room over here and over here. Enough clearance off of the actual tractor roll bar that's on there now to be able to fit bolts. So we gotta go do one more measurement. By the way, if you guys ever think to yourselves, this guy does not know how to make a video, you're right. I'm an engineer. I like solving problems. I like making stuff. Digital content is not one of those things that I like to make, but we're feeling different. We're feeling like we wanna start getting our stuff out there. So that's what we're here to do, and just bear with me. I appreciate any feedback. Make these videos better. But right now, I'm just gonna be doing what I know how to do, and you guys are here with me, taking you along, and that's how it is. All right, so we got our 6-inch mark, which is what we needed from the hole to the bottom of our 2-inch tube. So now we can extrude that out. Just got 6 mil, placeholder for now. Hey, I beat you guys here. Anyways, all we gotta do, plug in plasma cutter right here. We have our plasma torch down there. We have our CNC table right here. And fire control allows us to control both of those. And I don't know if you can see me profusely sweating right now, but it gets really hot in here. It's a metal building directly in the sun. Heats up like crazy, but is what it is. So now we have our model in there. We can go ahead and move the plasma cutter to our top left corner. We're going to zero our axes. We see that the height is 11.23 inches, so we can move it 11.23 inches down. There, zero it again. Now we're in the bottom left. It's going to cut in the bottom left, and we should be all good. God, it's hot. Now we can click start, but where are they? Can't figure protection, right? So we gotta wear these. Yeah. I don't know, what's it look like if you guys wear them? Let's see. Yeah, horrendous. That's okay. I'm going to show about one clip of this plasma cutter firing before my camera explodes. So, here we go. Let's go ahead and start. All right, plasma cut is finished. I left the building because I don't want to wear those stupid goggles. And let's see how it turned out. Oh, looks like it fell in. I have no way of grabbing these safely. There we go. Okay. Oh, that's hot. I can feel the heat from here. Yeah, this metal gets really hot after you cut. You gotta be careful. There's our bracket. I'm gonna put on some actual gloves. I got some over here. Thinking leather. I'm thinking leather. These are a little overkill, but we're gonna wear them anyways. All right. Here we go, here we go, here we go. All right. Oh, top of the tractor. Hope I don't fall. Okay. It's about what we expected. What if the holes line up? Good enough. Beautiful. And doesn't fit inside. But, oh, it does. Barely. Might have to ground that down. Okay. Okay, one last step. Ta-da! All right, here we go. That's not working. Give me a second. I gotta figure out how to use this thing. There we go. All deburred. Sorry, that's loud. But all deburred now. Better not judge me. Alright? No one taught me how to do metal work. All self-taught. Meaning I don't know what I'm doing. So yeah, don't judge too hard. Alright guys, so we got 2 of these plates done, which means now all we need to do is mount them to the tractor. Right up there. But I'm hot and I don't want to do that today. So we'll come back. We'll do that another day. Mount to the tractor, weld the box tube on, and put the sunshade on. So yeah, sayonara for now.